Hola, hola, what's good, people? It's your boy KLC Zambia. Yeah, right here. We're shooting video behind the scenes. Dr. F said no one else, but only him doing this work. Yo, so I'm happy with this project because it's for my homie guy, James Blues Park.
Okay, let's go. JM, let's go.
Yeah, 1 2 1 2 bevenda kusuma mulize wene style ngwetwa I think wasema ivono li mulize style ngomangana mbate no western yake ko haze ikiko mchima katoto manayo so ose muna mono ngana anguleza na KLC Zambia ngwani mangabe venga fwetete mulize style ikiko tight ngomba walifuchi mama bra
Hey, Salinda Michael, I'm so excited.
Sorry, Pakano. Sorry, say sorry to the camera.
Hi everyone, this is Samantha and I'm happy to be part of this thing, this video making. Though I'm acting as a side chick, you know? Side chick suits me.
Yes.
And the title is Fwetete. Fwetete, you know, I'm talking about Fwetete. You need to understand this word Fwetete.
Though the path I've been given is really, really challenging. I don't know, I'm not a person who is emotionally
something that you don't want to, you know, there's something smelling. Yeah, so it's a very good track.
Okay, I don't know if I'll manage to cry, but I'll try. Yeah, that's what I'll just say. But I'm really excited about the whole thing.
Now look him in the eyes as you speak.
My name is Ifset. I'm the manager. No, it's not true. I'm not the manager. I'm the video producer for JM Blues Park. I shoot all his videos.
Let's go.
Don't tell me that.
I'm sorry, JM. I'm sorry for money.
You know, the Afro music, Rika Life Entertainment, fusing together, you know, it's gonna be fire and fire.
We are working on a new video titled Fwetete. This is a very beautiful video and we expect it to be the best work that we've done. We are trying to do better than that one. We are trying to do better than Soskila.
Better than Soskila, yes.
And we want to make sure we come up with the best.
Yes.
Hey, buddy, push.
Left, right.
You will focus right. At focus left, knife right.
Focus right.
Which one forgetting?
Forgetting is the right hand.
Forgetting. This one for
From
what
the
you
right
cut.
hand.
Then this one.
The knife is from the right hand.
Okay. No problem.
Yes, and for my corner,
Yeah, so yeah, well, thank you very much to Space Media for the great works, and thank you our director. We love you so much, F-Set, for the work. Continue doing the work. You are blessed at what you are doing. I've really enjoyed this project working with my homie here, JM Blues Park. So, and this project, this is not the end, this is not the beginning.
So
yosena omunamu bangana munango
byose nangona byose nabifuma kuno mwivenga fwetete but next nakapwa
Ghana. So yeah, I go by the name of KLC Zambia and GM Blues Park. We say we love you, our friends, we love you, our fans. So subscribe to our page, Facebook page, KLC Zambia, GM Blues Park, and Action Space Media. Subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss this video because it's gonna be lit and dope.
ngengana likanya.